Welcome back to Beauty for the Win. I have a little bit of a cold, it's going away, but I wanted to do this opening of my new Guess backpack. So let's open it up. Okay, let's take a look. Has the tissue paper here. Ooh, there it is. So I'm actually going to be using this as a purse. It's a miniature backpack. Oh my gosh, so cute, guys. Here, let me put the camera down. Ooh, final reveal. Look at that. It is so cute. And it has the Guess keychain. Wow, awesome. Here's the backpack straps, adjustable. Awesome. This is like beautiful. Love it. So this is originally $74.99. I got it on sale. Beautiful color red. I love this. There we go. Compartment here. And let's open it up. Here's the inside. So as with most purses, it has some compartments here, one for your cell phone or for your lip glosses. I'm trying to get it better. There we go. A little bit better angling here. And then in this area there is the zipper part and the Guess logo. So yeah, it's pretty roomy in there. Perfect. I like that the purse is hard. It's not flimsy. It's a very good quality, durable material. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for staying tuned with me, and I'll be making more beauty videos very soon.